The night ocean stretches out softly and silently. The sparkle of the daytime has completely faded, and a deep blue darkness gently wraps around everything. Countless stars shimmer in the sky, while the distant horizon quietly melts into the night. You slowly walk along the shore. The sand beneath your feet feels cool, making a soft, gentle sound each time you step. The sensation is strangely comforting, and with every step, you feel the tension in your body gradually fading away. Before long, you arrive at the water's edge. The waves come and go in a steady, gentle rhythm. Not too strong, not too weak, they simply repeat in calm harmony, like the quiet breathing of the world. You pause there, listening closely to the sound of the waves. A wave touches the shore and softly dissolves. Then it slowly pulls back again. This rhythm seeps quietly into the depths of your mind. There is nothing else to hear. No wind, no distant noise, only the sound of the waves filling the world. It feels as though this place has been gently separated from time itself. You slowly sit down on the sand. It is soft and welcoming, gently supporting your body. With just a slight shift of your weight, a feeling of lightness spreads through you. Taking a deep breath, the scent of the ocean fills your chest. A soft trace of salt and the stillness of the night blend together, slowly loosening your mind. And as you exhale slowly, you feel the tension and fatigue within you begin to drift away. The sound of the waves continues, unchanged. One after another, they repeat in a steady rhythm, naturally aligning with your breathing. Inhale and exhale. The waves come in and gently return. Before you notice, you are completely in sync with that rhythm. Without effort, your breathing slows, and a deep calm spreads throughout your body. As you look up, the stars continue to shimmer softly. Their light feels distant, yet somehow close, as if they are quietly watching over you. Gradually, everything except the sound of the waves begins to fade. Your thoughts and worries drift away, leaving behind a quiet, open stillness within your mind. This emptiness is not lonely. It is filled with a gentle sense of peace and comfort. You slowly lie down on the sand. It is soft and warm, as if the earth itself is gently holding you. The sound of the waves feels closer now, near your ears. Their steady rhythm rocks your awareness like a lullaby. Your eyelids grow heavier. You may close them, or leave them open. Either way is perfectly fine. A quiet sense of ease surrounds you. Your breathing becomes even slower. Inhale and exhale. It flows together with the movement of the waves. The boundary between you and the ocean begins to soften. You can no longer tell whether the sound of the waves is outside you, or gently echoing from within. Only the soothing rhythm remains. As it carries you, your awareness slowly sinks deeper and deeper. There is nothing you need to think about. Here, you are simply allowed to rest. The waves continue, endlessly and gently. Their sound never stops, and it continues to reassure you. Gradually, even the sensations in your body begin to fade. The feeling of the sand, the temperature of the air, everything gently dissolves. Within that softness, you simply float. Weightless, effortless, peaceful. In the distance, you sense a faint, flickering light. It may be the entrance to a dream. or perhaps just a quiet presence. But it doesn't matter. You can gently move toward it now. The sound of the waves continues, unchanged. Its soft rhythm surrounds you completely. And as you are held within that gentle flow, you slowly drift into a quiet, peaceful sleep.